Hi, so I'm basically going to be showing you how this Dove Daily Hair Vitamin Intense Repair capsules does for your hair. So I have very damaged hair, as you can see. This is how it looks like. So you have to remove this, peel it off, or you can cut it with a scissor, and I'm just going to show you. And let's see, let's apply that evenly on my hair. Okay, so it instantly gives it a shine. Well, it's pretty much like ordinary hair serum. Smells good, actually. Now for the comb test. Not sure if you're able to see that properly, but as you can see, I can easily comb my hair. There you go. I'll be writing a blog and review about these products. I've already used up 2 capsules at the moment, and this is my second day for using it, and I'll be telling you more as I finish 1 pack, if it does wonders or not.
So as you can see, 10 days later, my hair is still dry and frizzy and damaged. I'm down to my 2nd pack, and I'm using here the 5th capsule. I'll be pouring that on my palm, and before applying, I'll be rubbing the product in between my palms for even application. So you apply that from the middle section down to the tips. And at this point, I'm making sure that every strand is covered. I'll be performing the brush test. In fairness, it's easier to brush your hair with the product on as compared to brushing it without any product at all. I am quite disappointed because it did make the hair look straighter, but it did not deliver in terms of repairing weak or damaged hair strands. So really, it's very comparable to other hair serums available in the market. I'll be posting a before and after photo at the end of this video, but as far as my rating is concerned, I'm going to be giving it 5 out of 10 stars because it only delivered half of what it promises.